Hi, we're Josh and Steph, and we have been married for almost 20 years.
We have 3 kids who practically grew up in breweries. Over the last decade, we have visited over 200 breweries in multiple countries. Last year, we started to document our trips to the breweries so that we could share our experiences with you.
Also in this time, we have taken our passion and love of craft beer and started home brewing.
In January, we made a big announcement. We bought a combi keg that was restored in Bali and shipped across the Pacific Ocean to California.
We hope you enjoy as we share our adventures.
I'm taking you to the top of the mountain, firmly attached on the right, but not on this side. Like a diving board, the tip of the diving board is just sitting there. Now on most days, we're in a cloud now.
We arrived at our next destination in Skagway, Alaska, and promptly boarded our shuttle bus, which took us up the mountain to the most beautiful scenic overlooks and snow-capped mountains.
This area is really unique because in between the United States border and the Canadian border is 12 miles, and it's considered no man's land.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay no trailer for sailoring. Sailoring, ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man to me by no king of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring, ain't got no cigarettes, but give, man, me, don't pay no trailer for sailoring. Rules to let trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, no king of the road. King of the road.
We reached a stopping point where I was able to put the drone up and capture some amazing views of the local landscape.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Nearly supposed to cross crying. Is that pain? Oh yeah. Listen, I love you. Night sounds rain.
What many people don't realize is Alaska actually has their own time zone. So we were able to cross back into Pacific time only to come back to Alaska time.
It's called the International Waterfall because on the left-hand side is the United States, on the right-hand side is Canada.
I wanna go outside. I wish it would rain. Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. I'm really supposed to cry. Listen. To the
friends. So we have made it to Skagway, Alaska.
Population 800.
This town is completely original from when they built it back in the 1800s. It took 8 months to build the entire town, and all the structures are original. It is phenomenal. It's like walking back in history. So we are just walking up to Skagway Brewing Company, which is the first of our 2 breweries located here in Skagway. Just finished up at Skagway Brewing Company. It is, they've got a full restaurant upstairs. They've got pub food downstairs. It's in a newer building. It's not one of the historic buildings, but it looks period.
Yeah, they did a good job with it.
Yeah. So if you're in Skagway, check them out.
What a wonderful.
Hi friends. So this little town of Skagway has 2 breweries. We're about to hit the second one. It's called Klondike Brewing Company. See that map right above the sign? Only in Alaska.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful. Trees of green. I see them. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful.
So we just finished up at Klondike Brewing.
That building right there. Right there. Wait. What you need to know is right across the way is the red
Right there. Red Onion.
onion. Definitely check that out.
They got
They're
hookers.
They have can women that are a whole lot of fun.
Hanging off balconies.
Talking smack.
Inviting young men in.
Hi there, sweetheart. Good to see you again. Wait a second, again?
This little town
Look.
is amazing.
Look.
You need to take the trolley.
It's crazy.
I don't think there's any place like this in the world.
Klondike Brewing Company is on the side street of 2nd, right across from the train station, which is right behind us. And they have this great outside patio, an inside merch store, and a tap room.
They had this old school cash register, which you'll see in the pictures. And honestly, like, they did the brewery thing right. Like, you could be inside, outside, and the beer was great.
The beer was incredible.
Family friendly. Had a great experience from all of the employees there. Like, everybody's super friendly, and it feels like you're hanging out at your best friend's house.
The best part about this place is the views. If you're in the front merch area, look out, snow-capped mountains. If you're in the back patio area, Look out, snow-capped mountains. The glacier's right off the back of the
Should we
building.
do a 360?
It's amazing.
Just take a look of what is around us.
And it's just a short walk back to any of the piers here with the cruise ship. So definitely check this place out. They don't have food, so if you want to eat somewhere else first, but definitely check this place out for the beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sadly, our time in Skagway was up, but not so bad because we were going back to the ship.
This port is absolutely stunning. The ship just lies between these snow-capped mountains. It is absolutely beautiful. It became customary to jump in the hot tub as we enjoyed the scenery as we sailed to our next destination.
What a wonderful.
And the best way to end a perfect day is with a lobster dinner and baked Alaska for dessert. The sunset was not too shabby either.
What a wonderful. And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe below, and follow along as we continue our Alaska adventure.